In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use linked rows in just a few steps. Linked rows let you connect data between different tables, so you can keep everything organized and easily accessible. Let's create a project management dashboard. For linked rows to work, we will need at least 2 forms, so let's create one. Turn on the edit mode, type the dash icon and choose the form. Add relevant fields to the form by clicking on the plus icon. You can check the video linked at the top right to see how to customize a form from start to finish. Quick tip: use bulk choices to insert options super fast. Now get responses to this form. I'll add one as an example. Let's create a second form about tasks. Add a linked row field and make sure to connect it to the correct base, project management in our case. You can also add a lookup field. With this, you'll be able to display one data asset from another form instead of all of them. Make sure to choose the correct field you want the data from. When someone fills out the form, this is what the linked rows will look like. Once you go back to the dashboard, choose a table view and display task management form results. You'll be able to see linked row here. You can also edit the dashboard according to your liking. Make sure to check our video about dashboards at the top right. And that's it.